Hey, what is up, Master Chasing here? So we're going to be doing an update on Cardano, cover a bit of the technicals, and as well go into some news that's currently going on. Now, what we have is the price of ADA is around 54 cents at this moment, and we're still trying to get to that 100-day moving average. So we're going to do an update, what's currently going on with this, as well as the news about what's going on with the whole Vasil Hard Fork and that whole update that's going to be coming out. So as we get to it, if you don't mind, please do me a huge favor. Please be sure to smash the story and highlight or gently press that like button to help me out with the algorithm and help spread this content to more people that might find it interesting. Now let's get to it. So a couple things I want to talk about the price of Cardano. One, we have a lot of this sideways trading going on. The price currently still is above that 50-day moving average, but you can see how much the price is consolidating. We have a lot of consolidation within the price of ADA right now, and it's doing something very interesting. One, we're not seeing any sort of big price moves either up or down, and a lot of that actually has to do with what Bitcoin is doing. Now, pulling up Cardano here on the 30-minute chart, and I'm looking at this last 30 days here with Cardano and looking at how the price has been moving. Now, something that I really want to point out with what's actually going on with Cardano is what Bitcoin is doing, because we might be seeing Ethereum and a lot of these other altcoins having breakouts in the prices, but we're not seeing that with Cardano, and that's just because Cardano follows along with what Bitcoin is doing so tightly. Now, let's go to Bitcoin and look at Bitcoin also on the 30-minute chart through the same time period, and you'll see that it's very identical. And you can get a better understanding of just looking at the ADA Bitcoin chart and look at how much this price actually follows so much. And if we turn this back into the daily chart here and look at these price movements over this period of time, you can see that it's just still doing that sideways trading. Now, the only thing that is really noticeably different here is that it is currently above that 100-day moving average. So right now, we can see that the 20, the 50, and the 100-day moving average are all kind of lined up there, and it's currently just trying to get to that 200-day moving average right now. Now look over at CoinMarketCap and look at the different prices of cryptocurrencies at this moment. Now, Cardano currently is the 7th largest cryptocurrency by market cap. And when we look at the last 7-day percentage of it that has gone up, it's gone up more than 4%, very much in line with what the price of Bitcoin has gone up. So you can see how they're very, very much moving along the same right now. They're not doing what Ethereum is doing, where we have seen Ethereum's price pumping, and other cryptocurrencies that do follow along with what Ethereum is doing, like say Solana, Polkadot, Avalanche, those ones are making moves in that direction with Ethereum at this time. Now, as of news for Cardano, there was a recent tweet by Input Output on August 12th, the date that I'm making this right now, and it says that a new node version 1.35.3 has been released for use on the Vasil Dev Net, and the new pre-production environment, as long as we do not encounter any significant new issues, this will be the version with which we'll trigger the Vasil upgrade on the mainnet. This new pre-production environment has been set up to provide a clean and more agile environment to test against 1.35.3 for exchanges and SPOs. We invite SPOs developers building on Cardano and exchanges to commence their final testing and integration processes. Now, I'm going to skip a little bit here. Definitely worth checking out Input Output's Twitter account. Now, it says that there are 3 critical mass indicators that will determine when we trigger the mainnet update. 1, 75% of mainnet blocks being created by the final Vasil node candidate. 2, roughly 25 exchanges upgraded, representing 80% of liquidity. 3, key mainnet dApps, including Top 10 by TVL, confirming they have upgraded to 1.35.3 on pre-production and on mainnet. Now let's take a look over at DeFi Llama and look at Cardano's TVL, which is a lot lower than it was back in July due to that Nomad attack. I'm sure you guys are familiar with that. I talked about it in another video. Now, currently, there's 184 million ADA tokens currently locked. About 80 million ADA tokens have recently been taken away from the TVL. Now, hopefully we hear some good development updates on the Vasil Hard Fork and it gets ready to launch on the mainnet here soon. Now, I expect that we'll see some pretty good price movements when that does come out, as well as even if Bitcoin's price was to continue moving up, that will definitely be something that will have some positive impact on the price of ADA. But anyways, I'd like to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions about Cardano. Are you guys still very bullish on it? Are you guys still accumulating more at this moment? Or are you guys just kind of waiting to hear what's going to happen with the Vasil Hard Fork? I'd like to know. So with that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. Thank you for watching and listening. I'll see you all in the next one coming very soon.